Okay, so we will start off. Okay, selamat datang. Welcome to Asfa Rina and also Siti Nuratika. We just start the first question. Okay, so this is the first question. Solve the following quadratic equation. Okay, this is a very popular question lah. Okay, very popular question, and it's a soalan yang wajib di bahagian A lah, the section A question. Okay, how to solve this quadratic equation? So I think most of you who has submit the answer get it right now. Okay, for this question. So what we do is we just start off with the cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication, where you have to start by multiplying this one 4 with 2 minus x and 3x with 2 plus x. Okay, so we will start by cross multiplication. So I will take 4 times 2 minus x, so I'll get 4. This is 2 minus x, okay, equals to 3x times 2 plus x. So 3x times 2 plus x. Okay, so after that, just expand your answer. Okay, 4 times 2, 4 times x. So you get here 8 minus 4x equals to, is this 3 got negative or not? This number 3.
In the question doesn't.
Okay, no negative. Okay, it's okay. So we continue. So 3x, just expand in the bracket here. Okay, expand. So you will get 6x here. And then here is plus 3x squared. Okay, am I right? Okay, so after that, you have to move everything from here to the right hand side. Okay, so you will get 3x squared. Okay, I just rewrite the equation of 3x squared plus 6x, and then this negative 4x move over to the right hand side, it will become positive 4x, and this 8 move to the right hand side, you will get negative 8, and this is equals to 0. So for any quadratic equation, you have to make sure here equals to 0 lah. Okay, here equals to 0, and everything move to one side lah. Okay, it's either left or right or left. Okay, so after that, you can solve this x. Okay, solve this x. So you will get 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 equals to 0. And lastly, you have to make 2 brackets. I hope you know how to factorize lah. Okay, I hope you can factorize, because those who have submitted their answer, I think they got it right lah. So I hope others also can know how to factorize the quadratic equation lah. So 3x here, 3x squared. So this is actually, you can get the answer from the calculator. Did I teach you how to use the calculator to get the answer? This is 4 and 2. Is it 2 here? 2. Here is 4. And then this is positive. This is a negative. Okay, so after this step, you have to equals this first bracket to 0 and the second bracket to 0. So you will get So you will get 3x 3x plus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0. So finally, you will get x equals to negative 2 over 3, or x equals to 4. Okay, is this the answer? 3x x factorized. So here is 4, here is 2. Okay, so this is 3x squared, this is 8, and then this is 2x, 12x. So positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, I think I get the wrong. This one should be negative. Sorry, this one should be negative, not positive. This one should be negative, and then this one should be positive. Positive. So this one is negative 4, and this one is positive 2 over 3. Okay, so you get this answer lah. Okay, so this is just a normal quadratic equation, but you need to know how to factorize. That's the first thing, how to factorize the quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you know how to use this method lah, or you can use the calculator to get your answer. Okay, I think I taught you before lah, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so for those who submitting their answer for this question, I think you all get it correct lah. Okay, for those who haven't tried, please try your best. Okay, try the question and try to submit your answer. Okay. Okay, so we move to the next question. We just have 5 questions to discuss, and we just have one hour, so we will be going quickly lah. Okay. Okay, the second question. This question, some of you get it wrong. I think Intan get it wrong. Okay, Intan. Is Intan here? Intan here? Are you here, Intan? Okay, don't think so. She's not here. Okay, never mind. We will do it right here. Okay. The first question: shape the region that represent P union R and what is this? Intersect with Q. Okay, so when you do the shading part, right? When you do the shading part, always number your each area of the Venn diagram first. Okay, for this case is already a number for you lah. Okay, 3, 2K, 4, K, 6, and 5. Okay, already number for you. But we will ignore the 5 lah. Okay, we will ignore the 5. Okay, so when you number your diagram, actually you can use A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 also can. It doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you put a number or a representation for each area lah. Okay, since the question already given you this 3, 2K, 4K, and 6, so we just use back this number and unknown. Okay, so what the question one is P union R. So P union R. So what is the element inside this area? So we know that when we want to write union, right, we will combine the elements in P and R together. Okay, we will combine all the elements in P and all the elements in R, and we will rewrite all the elements. Okay, the same element we will only write once. Okay, so we start with P. So P, what is inside P? This circle. What elements is inside this P? So this is 3 and 2K. So I will write, okay, for P, for P, the elements are 3 and 2K. And then for R, what's the element in R? R is this triangle. So it's K and 6. Okay, K and 6. K and 6. So when I want to write a P union R, okay, I will combine these all these elements together, combine it all together. I see there's no same number of same elements, so I just write it all. So 3, 2K, K, and also 6. So this is all my elements for P union R. And then next one, I have to intersect this answer with Q. So what is the element inside Q? Okay, so refer to your diagram. Q is this rectangle. So what is the element inside this rectangle? Is 2K, 4, and K. So I write it here, 2K, 4, and K. Okay, so now you have to intersect this one with this one. Intersect means you have to find out the same element. Okay, so if this is 3, 2K, and K, this is 2K, 4, and K. So which one is the same element? It's 2K and also K lah. Okay, so since these two elements is the same, so I will shape these two parts lah, 2K and K. So 2K is here and K is here. Okay, so this is my answer lah. Okay, this is my answer. Okay, just shape it properly lah. Okay, so this is the answer for question 2A lah. Okay, any question? You can always interrupt me, or you can type in the chat box if you have question or you want me to explain or anything. Okay, so if no question, we'll continue. Okay, okay, given that the number of universal set, the elements for universal set is 30, find the value of K. So means universal, you have to notice here is the sign, the symbol for universal set. So means it's inside this big rectangle. Inside this big rectangle, so there is all the elements here. So what you do is how to find the K is given already. The number of universal set is 30. So means all together, you add these all elements together, you will get 30. So very simple. Just write 3 plus 2K plus 4 plus K plus 6 plus 5 equals to 30. And then just find out what is the value of K lah. Oh, sorry. This is plus. Okay, so what is the answer for K? So you just move it, the numbers all over to the right hand side. So here is 2K plus K equals to 3K. Okay, 3K. And here is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 11, 18. So 30 minus 18. And finally, your K will equals to, this is 30, 12. 12 divided by 3. So K equals to 4. Okay, so K equals to 4. Okay, so that is the answer for question B. Okay, very easy. Okay, so we will continue. Okay, this question. Okay, before that, can you see my screen or not? I hope everyone can see my screen. Okay, is it big enough, the picture, or you need to
Yes, yes.
very small? Very
A
small?
bit small.
Very
Yeah,
small.
a
Okay,
bit
I will
small.
get zoom in. Is it okay now? Better?
Still small, sir.
Still small, Okay, let me think of it. Okay, if like this, okay or not?
Okay, okay, it's
Okay,
okay. Yeah.
okay. So this is the third question. Okay. So diagram 5 shows a G and H point drawn in the Cartesian plane, and T is the translation. Okay, -4, -4, 6, and P is a reflection, and the line y equals to 6. R is a rotation of 180 degree about the center H. Okay, so find out the image of point G, okay, under the transformation of each one, T, P, R followed by T. Okay, so I think some of you get this question wrong. Okay, so what we do is we need to find what is the image of G. Okay, this is the object. This is the point G. Now we want to find what is the image of this G after it undergo the transformation for T, and then P, and then R followed by T. Okay, you have to do this separately. Separately. So means you have to do it for the transformation T first. What is the image? And then the transformation P, what's the image? And R followed by T, what's the image? Okay, so there are three answers here. Okay, so let's do the first question. So first question is T. T transformation is a negative translation of -4, 6. So this is very easy, okay, because translation is the most easiest one. So what we do is, okay, what we do is, where is my, okay. So what we do is we need to find out the image of G after the translation -4, 6. So for your information, translation, we will always write it in the form of this A and B. Okay, where the A part refer to the right hand side or left hand side. Okay, if the A value is positive, we go to the right hand side. If the A value is negative, we go to the left hand side. And for B, it either goes up or goes down. Okay, if the B value is positive, it goes up, and if B value is negative, it goes down. So now look at the -4. So A is a negative value, so we have to move it to the left hand side 4 units. So we will start from here, G, 1, oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will stop at this point. And after that, 6. 6 means positive, it goes up 6 unit. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, sorry. Macam penyutan jantung pula. Okay, so here it stopped here. Okay, at this point. So this point is the image for G lah. Okay, after it goes under the transformation of T, which is a translation. And what is the coordinate for this one? What's the coordinate for this point?
-29.
-29. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. -29. So answer for question A is -29. It is comma. Okay. Okay, so question A done. Question B. Okay, after the transformation P, P is a reflection. Reflection on in the line y equals to 6. So this line, you have to identify where is this line. Okay, so you have to know how to identify the line. Okay, so I think I taught you before this one. So if this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, so if I write, okay, there's a straight line x equals to 5, and there's a straight line y equals to 3, okay, for example. So where is this line? So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is a straight line x, this is a straight line y. So normally straight line x Okay, we start off with x first. So normally straight line x uh, will be opposite with the axis. If this axis is a horizontal, okay, x is a horizontal axis. So for the straight line x equals to 5, it should be a vertical line. Okay, vertical straight line. So if let's say here is 5, here is 5. So the straight line x equals to 5 is a vertical line that pass across 5. Okay, so this is a straight line. X equals to 5. Okay, so it's opposite with the axis. If the axis is a horizontal, the straight line will be vertical. And if the axis is a vertical, then the straight line for y should be a horizontal line. So this is 3. Katakanlah, this is 3. Okay, here is 3. So the straight line for y equals to 3 should be a horizontal straight line. Okay, so this is your y equals to 3. Okay, so now if y equals to 6, where is this line? Okay, so y equals to 6. Okay, y axis is a vertical. Y axis is a vertical line. So y equals to 6 should be a horizontal line. And it surely will pass across this 6 lah, in the y axis. So the straight line should be this one. Okay. Okay, I try to draw it as straight as possible. Okay. So this is your y equals to 6. Okay. So now the transformation for P is a reflection. It's a reflection in the line y equals to 6. So how to find the image for G? If this is the axis of reflection, this is the axis of reflection. So we just need to calculate the distance from object to the axis of reflection. So here should be 3 units lah. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 units. Okay. So it will come to this part. And how to find the image? So we go to the same distance, 3 units to find out its image. So 1, 2, and 3. So here. So this is the image for G after reflection. Okay, after the reflection. So what is the coordinate for this point?
29.
This is 2,
29.
2, 9. Very good. Okay, thank you. So this is the answer for question B lah. Okay, this is the answer for question B. Okay, and the last one. And the last one is R followed by T. So what is the transformation of R? Transformation R is a rotation of 180 degree about center H. Okay, so when we want to do the rotation, okay, it's easier if it is 180 degree. Okay, can I erase this first? Okay, I want to erase this first. Okay, I hope all of you know how to do the rotation. Okay, rotation for how to find the image for a rotation. Okay. Okay, so let's start off with this rotation for about H for 180 degree. So what is the first step? The first step is always draw a straight line from the object to the center of rotation. Okay, draw a straight line. Okay, using your ruler. Oops. Draw a straight line. Oh my God. My hands are shaking. Okay. Okay. Again. Try again. Draw a straight line from H to G. Oh my God. Okay, just assume this is a straight line lah. Assume it's a straight line. So G to H. Okay, after you draw a straight line, and then you look at the angle of rotation lah. Because this is 180, so it's very easy. What you do is you just draw the straight line. Okay, using your ruler. Using your ruler. So just extend this line. Okay, extend this line. Okay, extend this line because they want 180 degree. So means from here to here should be 180 degree lah. So what you do is you measure. The next step is you measure the distance between G and H. Okay, measure the distance using your ruler lah. Okay, let's say the distance is let's say 2 cm. Let's say 2 cm. Then you take your ruler again, measure from H to this line, okay, and stop at 2 cm also. So let's say the point is somewhere here lah. Okay. Okay. Imagine, just imagine, because my line is not straight. So let's say it stopped here, 2 cm. So that is the image. Okay, that is the image for the rotation. Okay, the rotation. Okay, this is the image. But then we have to do another transformation, which is T. Okay, T is a translation for -4, 6. So -4, 6 means, again, we have to move it to the left-hand side, 4 unit. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, here is 4 units. And then 6 up. So we will go up. Kenapa hilang sudah? Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, goes down. Okay. Okay, saya kasih turun sini lah. Just now is sorry. Okay, just now the point stopped at
Sir, sir,
here. Is it
sir,
betul kan? Sini kan?
sir, I Intan asked to accept her.
Sorry?
Intan asked to accept her. She want to go in, but you didn't accept.
Sorry. Intan. Okay, sorry. Okay. So just now we stop at this point, kan? We stop at this point after we move 4 units to the left, and now we want to move 6 units up. Okay, 6 units up. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So it should stop here lah. Okay, stop at this point. So the coordinate for this point should be 0, 13. Am I right? 0, 13. Okay, so this is the answer for question number C. Okay. Sorry kerana dia lari tempat sudah, because just now I zoom in and zoom out, jadi dia sudah lari tempat. Okay. Anyway, I hope you can get the answer right lah. But for those who already submitted the answer, kan, I think 1 or 2 of you get it wrong, because I think some of you start it from here, from 0 here. You should start from the object G, not from here. Okay, that is one problem. And then I think other get it right also. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's move to the 4th question. Okay, yang ini ada banyak orang salah. I mean for question A lah. What is your mistake is you didn't draw the arrow, because this is a directed graph. Directed means dia ada direction, dia ada arah. So you have to, when you want to draw the graph, directed graph, you should put your arrow. Okay, walaupun you look at the answer kan, dia tak ada letak kan, sebab yang ini belum lengkap lagi. Okay, this answer is not completed yet. So if you want to complete this graph, you need to put the numbers, the weighted, I mean the distance, and then also you have to put the arrow. Okay, so referring to the table here, you have to complete the graph. Directed and weighted means ada anak panah, ada dia punya bacaan. Okay, berapa km. So let's complete the graph lah. Okay, can you see the table and the graph? Boleh nampak? You need to zoom in. Boleh? Boleh nampak
Boleh, sir.
Okay, so start off with PQ lah. PQ 8 km. So PQ already drawn for you. Okay, so it's very good. Okay, wait. Okay, so next is PR is 4. PR is 4. Okay. Before that, tadi PQ kan, PQ 8. So PQ you need to put the arrow, okay, here together with the 8 km. And then next one is PR4. So PR belum lagi lukis. So you have to draw the PR. Use the ruler, draw a straight line to PR. And then you have to put the arrow PR and write it here for 4. Okay. So next is RQ. RQ is RQ. Okay, R to Q. So draw a straight line from here R to Q with the arrow and the KM. This is 2. Okay, next is RS. RS already drawn for you, but without the arrow. So you have to add in the arrow lah. Okay, 3.4. And then SQ. SQ, okay. SQ is here, 1.5. So 1.5 SQ. And then ST. ST 2.5. So put the arrow ST 2.5. And finally QT. So finally you have to draw the straight line from Q to T and draw the arrow with the KM is 3.2. Okay, so this should be your answer. Okay, so please pay attention to the question. If this is directed and weighted, then you have to put the arrow. Okay, so question A done. Okay, question B. State the shortest route he chooses to deliver the parcel. He wants to deliver the parcel from where to where? From P to T. Okay, from P to T. So which is the shortest route he can take? So if here start from P, there are 2 routes. Okay, 2 routes. Dua cabang ini. So the shorter one should be 4 lah. Okay, should be 4. Okay, so I will take this one. 4 is P to R. From P to R. Okay, and then from when he reach R, there's 2 routes also. One is 2, one is 3.4. So maybe I'll choose the shorter one. Okay, which is to Q. Okay, and then from Q, I have 2 more routes to go. I have 2 more routes to choose, which is 3.2 and 1.5. Okay, so from here, you can either choose 1.5 or 3.2. But if you want to choose 1.5, don't forget from S to T, there's another 2.5. So if you take 1.5 to reach T, actually you need to take actually 4 km, right? But here only 3.2. I think this one is a shorter one. So I will take Q to T. So from Q to T. Okay, you can choose other possibility lah. see which one is the shortest one. Okay, from what I see is this should be the shortest lah. Okay, so nyatakanlah nota pendek. So this is the answer lah. Okay, from P to R to Q and to T. And what is the distance? So from P to R, the distance is 4. Okay, and then from R to Q is 2. And from Q to T is 3.2. 3.2. So altogether is 9.2 km. Okay, so this is the answer lah for question B. Okay, so I think that's the answer, and I think most of you get this answer right lah. Just the arrow, you missed the arrow. Okay, so next time please read the question carefully. Okay, and don't be trapped by the answer here. Maybe you see, oh, this answer kan tak ada arrow-nya, so you ignore the arrow. But then this one is the incomplete answer diagram. So you have to put your arrow. Okay, that brings us to the last question. Okay, the last question, I think most of you also get it correct. Yeah, okay. So this is a very easy question. So the first question is calculate the rate of change of speed. So actually the another word for this question is find the acceleration kan? Acceleration. Okay. So what is the formula for acceleration? Acceleration equals to speed divided by time. Speed divided by time. So for the first 4 seconds, so you need to identify what is the starting speed until the last 4 seconds speed. That is 25 here. Here it should be 25, and here is 9 for the starting. So how to find the acceleration is take the final speed minus the initial speed divided by time, which is 4 seconds. And you will get this 16 divided by 4. Answer is 4. Okay, this is the answer for question A lah. Okay, very easy, direct question. Okay, for B, okay, this is a bit tricky. For the last 10 seconds, the distance travel is 205. The last 10 seconds means it's from here to here. Okay, the last 10 seconds, 70 minus 7 is 10 seconds. So this is the distance travel, okay, for this shape lah. This is actually a trapezium. So the formula, the area formula for trapezium, okay, I hope everyone knows. So A plus B times the height. Okay, so this is the two parallel lines. This is A, this is your B. So A, you don't know what is your A. A should be your V lah. Okay, this is your V. So means from here to here is your V. And then from here to here is your 25 lah. Okay, from here to here is your 25. So I will substitute here. And H is your 10 lah. Okay, this is your height. The height of your trapezium. 70 minus 7 is 10. So I substitute all the value inside. So this one should be your V, and your B should be 25 times your H, your height, it should be 10. And all the distance travel should be equals to 205. So solve this equation, you will get your value of V. Okay, so how to solve? Okay, 2 and 5, just simplify it. You get 5, and then you expand into the bracket. 5 times V, 5 times 25, you get 5V plus 125. Okay, equals to 205. So to get your V, move the 125 over to the right hand side. So you will get 205 minus 125. Okay, so what is the answer here? 20580. Okay. And finally, your V will equals to 80 divided by 5. Answer is 16. Am I right? Okay, so 16. So that is your answer for B. Okay. So is there any question you want to ask for this 5 part B question? Any question? Semua senyap saja. I think some of you will still sleeping lah kan. Cuma kasih login saja, lepas tu tidur balik kan. Okay, so how is your PBL? I just want to follow up with your progress lah. How is your PBL? I think some of you already submitted. Cheta, how is your progress, Cheta?
Ya, sir.
Macam mana PBL kamu?
In
Belum start kah?
progress.
Belum start?
About to start, sir. I want to finish bio and physics first.
Okay, maksudnya bio and physics also got PBL.
Yeah,
Okay.
tapi bio I forgot to do some homework.
Okay. So do it faster lah kan, because the due date for the PBL is 21st kah kalau tak silap, 21st of July if I'm not mistaken lah. Okay, how about Christina?
In the progress.
In the progress how many percent already finished?
75%.
75 okay.
Yeah, the table.
Almost there lah. Okay,
Yeah,
so I hope to receive your PBL soon lah. Okay, thank you for your response. How about Siwen? Siwen already submitted kan?
No, teacher.
Not yet lah. So how's your progress?
Around 60%.
60, okay, very good. So 加油啦. Okay, if any question, just let me know. Okay, how about 文心姐姐? Wen Xin Jie, are you there? On the way, okay, on the way. How many percent finish? Just want to know lah, how many percent already finished? 0%. Wen Xin, how many percent finish? 10%, 20, 50, 20, okay. 要加油啊. Okay, very good. How about Andrea?
I think I can submit it by today.
Okay, thank God. Syukur.
Habis sudah.
Very good. Okay, just submit via the Google form link lah. Okay, in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. How about YB? YB Young.
I'm done.
Done Okay, very good. Can submit by today lah kan? Kalau begitu.
Sudah kemarin.
Oh iya kak, okay, thank you. Saya belum cek lagi itu. Okay, thank you YB. Okay, Pearl leh. Pearl 姐姐leh. How about Pearl 姐姐? Your PBL? No response. Okay, never mind. Mungkin dia tertidur sudah. Safi and Siti Nuratika, I think you already submitted kan? And Intan also submitted.
Yes, sir.
Faida pun submitted. Okay. So Jia Huan pun sudah submit. Nilia belum lagi. Nilia, how about your PBL? Sampai peringkat mana?
40%, sir.
40%. Okay. Ada masalah yang ditemui tak? Nak tanya kah?
So far belum ada lagi, sir.
Belum ada lah. Okay, okay. If any question can always PM me or ask me lah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, ada lagi yang saya tertinggal kah? Rasanya tak ada kan? Okay lah. So if any question, always you can always PM me ah. Okay, and I want to urge you to try the question lah. To try the question I posted in the group. Okay. Untuk bahagian B, saya pun sudah kasih soalan kan. Okay, sudah kasih soalan, and then cuma saya terima macam 5 orang respon saja. So orang lain sila ni lah. Okay, try the question. And I think we will stop here. So before that, I want to take picture lah, as usual. I want to take picture. So if you want to turn on the camera, it is most welcome. If you don't want to turn on, it's okay. I will just take the picture myself and with your profile pictures. Okay. So please close the door for me, please. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. So anyone want to turn on the camera to take picture? Okay, Sadia, as always, peminat setia saya. Okay, others, how about others? You don't want to turn on, ah? Okay, never mind lah. Okay, Sadia, kita berdua sajalah. Okay, smile, Sadia. 1, 2. Okay, Nili. Okay, look at the camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. Sorry, paste first. Okay, wait. I want to save first. Okay, take another one. Okay, take another one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay. Okay, thank you. Thank you for coming, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you for your patience. Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck in your exam. Okay, bye. See you. See you, everyone. Bye. Bye.